A suspect in the murder of the former Ekurhuleni chief auditor, Mpho Mafole, is expected to appear in the Kempton Park Magistrate's Court in northeastern Johannesburg today. And the 40-year-old man was arrested on Sunday. Mafole was gunned down in a drive-by shooting last month. SABC News reporter Calvin Dludla will be in court to keep us abreast of proceedings there. Let's just check in. Calvin, good morning. And of course, much anticipation here and great interest in this particular story. We saw earlier this week residents of Tembisa protesting, and these things are all interlinked in terms of the finances of the city of Ekurhuleni. But what can we expect in court today?
Good morning to you, Sakina, and to our SABC viewers at home. We are outside Kempton Park Magistrate Court here in Ekurhuleni. That is where, Sakina, we are expecting a 40-year-old male suspect to appear before this magistrate court. You would remember that this is in connection with the brutal murder of a 47-year-old Mpho Mafole, and you would remember very well, as you have mentioned, that the suspect was arrested a few days ago. This is a brutal murder that took place on the 30th of June. You would remember that the deceased was found in a pool of blood, and his car was sprayed with bullets, and his funeral took place on the 6th of July at the Kempton Park Civic Center. We are told by our sources on the ground, though, that the executive mayor of Ekurhuleni, I'm talking about Executive Mayor Nkosindi Kagaza, will not be able to attend these proceedings because he has to attend another important meeting. But I can tell you that there are no protesters outside this court. Those in the know are telling SABC News that this brutal murder is in connection with the investigation of a 2 billion rand electricity scandal that the deceased was investigating. So we are about to get inside this court. Normally, you would understand that the proceedings on the magistrate court normally starts at around 9. So we will have to get inside this magistrate court so that we can apply for permit, so that we can be able to broadcast this case, Sakina. But I can tell you that we are here. There are no protesters. The situation is calm. So that is what is happening where we are.
Well, thank you so much, Calvin Dludla, and our eyes and ears in that courtroom in Kempton Park.